Hi, welcome back to Congolese dance tutorials. My name is Brian. I'm here to teach you another gather step. These are the moves that we put in between moves, or sometimes we even use it as part of the move. The move goes a little bit like this. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. And 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. Right? I'm gonna get to it. If you're ready, let's get going. See you on the other side. So this move consists of a lot of your legs, right? It's a lot of leg work and I think it's one clap, right? So let's start off. So you start off in a straight position. So when you hear whatever beat that comes on, the first move, right? I'm a left footer. So your first move is going to be a step back, but in a square position. So your leg starts off straight, and when you step back, you're in a 90-degree angle. It looks like this, right? So make sure you bend your legs, otherwise you'll be injured, right? So you start from here. Normally I start off with a bounce, 1, just so I can get into the motion. 1, right? From here, 3 steps forward. So you're gonna step back once, and then step forward 3 times, right? When you step forward, don't be methodical. Remember you're dancing, so you go from 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice my arms is moving, right? I'm moving a little bit more, I like to say dancing fashion, but in a jokey way. So you go from 1, 2, 3, 4. As soon as the 4th beat comes, as soon as you step on the 4th time, ready to clap straight away, right? So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 2, 3, 4, right? So from 4th step, from the 4th step, it's a clap. And then it's a shuffle. It's a double step back with both feet. So you step back, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So from here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and clap. Step back, step back, step back on 4 beats. So the foot step is 4 beats from 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle 2, 3, 4. Shuffle 2, 3, 4. Right? Now, due to some music, hope you understood it. If you didn't, comments. We'll respond to you. And we'll explain it further if you need to. But, let's do it to some music. Let's get my partner in here and let's show you. Let's go. Ready? Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the gather step 2. If there are any other moves that you would like to see, get it down in the comments down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.